Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create your Pest Control pro forma financial projections using my Pest Control business plan template. So in my business plan template, if you do buy it, and at the end of the video I will go ahead and give y'all a link to purchase it if you're interested. But if you are interested in my business plan template for Pest Control, it comes with a Word document as well as a basic financial model. The Word document, I do have a separate tutorial on how to use that, but for this video right here, we're going to focus on how to use my financial model that is designed and aligned with the pest control industry, and how to use that and quickly have your, like I said, pro forma financial projections off to the races, usually in about 30 minutes. All right, so the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're going to go ahead and then go through this Excel financial model that I've got designed and prepared for your listening pleasure. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, and owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional business plan writer as well as a strategic plan consultant. So if y'all do need some assistance with writing your own business plan or a strategic plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. And finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is ready to go and your strategic plan is all set, but you're really having some problems with those financial projections, pick up the phone, call me, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. All right. With that infomercial done, let's go ahead and take a look at this financial model. So if you do, like I said, if you buy the Pest Control template, on my website, what will happen is you're going to get two documents, the Word document and the financial model. This right here is the financial model. Anywhere in the darker colored cells is the areas that you can go ahead and change the information. It does come with 4 tabs: information page, projections, profit and loss statement, and then the income statement. Income statement covers 5 years annually. Profit and loss statement covers 12 months broken into quarters. And then this is the meat and the potatoes of the financial model. So for the information page, this is also broke up into categories: revenues, labor, startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, growth rates, and then loan information. All right, so I do give you a starting point for your revenues, and the label for revenues is average customer sales. And for the starting point, I'm saying that this hypothetical pest control business is going to service 35 customers a day. Average service call or average service charge or average customer ticket is $60. And then the variable cost is 18%, which means that if we collect $60, if we charge our customer $60, then it's going to cost us about $10 in material, travel, for gas for travel and such. I'm estimating that we're going to, in any of these 3 areas right here, you can go ahead and change that information to make it yours. You can change the price, the number of customers, and also your variable cost. Just make sure you use a percentage. Operating days per week, I'm saying we're going to be open 5 days, but if it's going to be open 6, just change it to 6. I'm going to keep it at 5. Salary is how much you're going to pay your management team. I'm saying you're just going to have one owner yourself, and it's going to be $2,500. But if it's going to be $3,000, change it to whatever it's going to be. Employees, average number of employees. So if you're going to have 8 employees, put it there. If it's 6, put it there. Average rate of pay, how much are you going to pay your employees? And then 172, just all that means is that there is 172 workable hours in a month if you base it on an annual basis. So if you're going to have somebody working part-time, then just change that accordingly. Next section is your startup cost section. The first 2 lines is your funding. How are you going to fund your business? For this hypothetical, I'm saying that for equity investment coming out of pocket, we're going to throw at this $50,000, and then a loan amount, we're going to borrow $150,000. If you're not going to have a loan, put 0. If you're going to have $200,000, put $200,000. Whatever your loan is going to be, whatever your equity investment is going to be. These next sections down here, these are the sections that you're going to break up. So if you're getting $250,000, then you're going to break up that $250,000 and show where you're going to spend it into categories. These first 2 lines here, don't change the titles. Those are static titles. You can change the dollar amounts though. But for these titles down here, you can change them to your heart's desire. The next section is going to be the monthly fixed cost section. If you're not going to pay rent, so put 0. If your rent's $4,000, put 4,000. Whatever it's going to be, just put it there. And then just break it into categories: utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, and so on. Miscellaneous information. This is focused on your tax rate. And then growth rates. The first 5 lines for the growth rates are your sales for each year. And then following that is just growth rates for your various costs. And finally, it's going to be your loan information. Whatever you put as a dollar amount in this loan section right here. So if we put $150,000 here, that will automatically populate down here. And then you can change the interest rate and the term, and the payment will calculate for you. And that'll then permeate through the next 12-month profit and loss statement as well as your income statement. All right, so hopefully this information was easy to understand. It's pretty straightforward. Shouldn't take you very long to have your pro forma financial projections all ready to go using this model. And as promised, we're going to wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my Pest Control business plan template, keep in mind it does come with a customizable Word document. Also comes with a basic financial model that we just went through. Keep in mind there are some restrictions, there are some limitations. That's not the end-all be-all of every financial model ever created. First, it's not compatible with Google Docs, and it's also not compatible with Apple products. So if you've got if you've got Apple Pages, you're not going to be able to use the spreadsheet. The Excel sheet's not going to convert to that. If you have questions about this pest control template, you want to have a conversation with me before you buy it, I'd be delighted to chat with you and give you some of the highlights to it. And here's my contact information right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation. However, after you purchase the pest control template, I do not offer free phone support. I'm not saying if you buy it, I'm going to be able to help you with it. You can pay me to help you with it. I do charge hourly, or I can complete it for you, but that's not a free service. So before you buy the template, if you want to chat, pick up the phone, call me. After you buy the template, if you've got some questions about it, make sure to reference this tutorial, but I also have several other tutorials on this website right here. So my business plan writing tutorials, they are geared towards helping my customers with completing any one of my business plan templates. So the tutorials are geared towards helping the templates. So just check it out there. If you do want to buy the Pest Control business plan template, the link's right here. And if you don't want to mess with templates and you don't want to mess with videos and tutorials and all that stuff, you just want your darn business plan written or your strategic plan written, all you have to do is go to my website right here. I do have custom business plan prices on there, several different custom business plan packages that I do offer, and I'd be delighted to write a custom business plan for you. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.